first question. Choose the word that makes the sentence true. The first digit in the whole number, the quotient of 1,875 divided by 9. Division.
Read the question carefully again. The first digit and the whole number quotient, number quotient of 1,875 divided by 9 will be in the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. What do you think?
Mr. The quotient is the answer, right?
Yeah.
So we have to do the division, right?
Let's do it to figure out.
Okay. 1,875 divided by 9. We can't do 1 divided by 9, so 18 divided by 9. 18 divided by 9 is 2.
2.
Put the 18 under the 18.
And then?
Minus 0, 0. Or just 1, 0. Doesn't matter. We drop the 7. Oh no, we can't do 7 divided by 9. So
and
we're gonna drop
the reason?
The reason because the number is low.
Yeah, 7 is less than 9.
So we can't.
What should we do?
We drop the 5.
Before
no, we put 0. We
put
0.
Put 0 first. So take care, boys. When you find that 7 or any number is less than the divisor, you have to put quotient. You have to put 0 in the quotient. Then you're going to drop the 5.
Yeah. 7. How many times?
Does 9 go to 75?
So now let's do the 9 times table.
Of course you remember it. What is 9 times 8?
9 times 8 is 72.
This is the closest one.
Yeah.
If you do 9 times 10 will be
90.
Or 9 times 9 will be 81.
81.
81 is higher than 75. So write 8.
Yeah. Then we put 72 under the 75.
Yeah.
We minus. Then it's gonna be 3.
3.
So the answer, we don't have any numbers to drop. So the answer is 208. Remainder 3.
That's it. Someone asks me, what is the page again? It's 143. 143. The remainder is 3. So Ahmed, you can answer now. Will be the first digit.
Yeah.
And the whole number quotient
100.
of will be in the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, or thousands.
Or thousands. The answer is thousands. Hundreds.
Hundreds.
Sorry, hundreds. I got confused.
Thank you, Ahmed. Amazing. Abdul Mohsen. Second question.
What?
The second question, number 2. Stop, Abdul Mohsen. Boys, please record the answers in your book. Don't forget. Don't forget. I will check all the pages today. Because I will ask you all to take up a picture for your answers and send that to me on the platform. So don't waste it. Abdul Mohsen, number 2.
A to 2D, select true or false to indicate whether the whole number is quotient is correct. So 225 divided by 9 is equal to 25.
Is it true or false?
True.
True?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes. 100%.
You can check by 2 ways. Even you can divide the 2 numbers, or you can multiply 9. You can multiply 9 by 25. Let's do 9 times 25. You do 25 times 9? Let's do it. Ah. If you get the same dividend, so your answer is right. Of course, you don't use a calculator, right?
Yeah. 9 times 5 is 45. Put the 5 down and the 4 over the 2. And 9 times 2 is 18. And plus 4 equals 22.
Yeah, the same dividend. So your answer is true or false?
True.
You are a true person. Thanks. Danny?
Yes, finally.
2B, please. 154 divided by 7. Is it 22?
First we have to do 22 times 7.
Or you can divide. It's up to you.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I'll do I'll divide 154 divided by 7. We can't divide 7 by 1, so we add.
You mean we can divide 1 by 7, not 7?
Yeah, 1 by 7. So that means there's a 5 next to it. So we make the 5 and 1 we put them
in one
together.
group.
That means now we can divide 15 by 7. So 15 by 7, 15 divided by 7. Let's see. 7 plus let's see. 7 times 2 is 14.
So
7 times 3 is 21. That's too high. So first we put 2, and then since there's one,
we need to multiply 2 by 7, which is 14.
2 times 7 is 14. 15 minus 14 is 1.
1.
So do we have any numbers to put in 1? Yes, we have 14.
Break down.
14. Let's see.
Divided by
14. Let's see. 7 times 2 is 14. That means we put another 14 here minus that, and then since they're the same power level, they both die.
Is there any remainder?
There's no remainder because both of the 14s die because they're on the same level. That means this is true.
Many thanks, David. Rosin, you will answer, don't worry.
Easy.
All right. Abdullah, Khalid.
Yes.
Number 2C.
Oh yeah. I already did it on a. Wait. I already did all the answers.
Okay. What is 2C? True or false?
False.
For sure.
Yeah, for sure.
You can check in a simple way. Look, if you multiply 9 by 39, like 9 times 9 will be 81. So the answer will start with 1 in the ones place. Do we have 1 here in the dividend?
What?
Do we have 1 here in the dividend in the ones place?
Of course we have.
We don't in the ones place.
Oh, I didn't hear that one.
Again, I told you to do 39 times 9. I mean you have to multiply the quotient by the divisor. 39 times 9. What is 9 times 9? 81. Write 1 and carry up 8. Oh my God. So we're going to get 1 in the ones place to check the dividend. Look, the dividend starts with 2. So of course, without completing this or these steps, it's false. Thanks, Abdullah.
You're welcome. Well, that was super easy.
Super easy, I know. Yusuf Oda. 2D. Yusuf Oda?
Yeah.
2D.
2D for 112 divided by 260. False.
False. Thank you. Ahmed Omar?
Yes.
3, number 3.
Okay.
This is check, not Chen. Check. Check. No, I'm sorry. Checking division problem by the following. That's Chen. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is Chen. Read that. Number 3. It's the name. It's the name of a person.
Oh, okay. Chen is checking a division problem by doing the following. 152 times 4 plus 2.
What problem is Chen checking? You know, this 2 is like a remainder. So let's first do 4 times 152.
Okay.
What is 4?
That's okay. That will be 8.
8.
Then 20 will put 0 and carry 2.
0 and carry up to
4 times 1 equals 4 plus 2, 6.
That's right, 608 plus 2. What is 608 plus 2?
610.
610. So it's like 610 divided by what number? Divided by 4. So the answer will be 152 and remainder 2. Let's check it. If you want to check it, you will find the same thing. 610 divided by 4. What is 6 divided by 4?
24.
6 divided by 4. I didn't say it. Times 1. 1 times 4 is 4. Minus
Equals 2.
2. Draw the 1.
Put 1 to be 21. So
21 divided by 4.
we'll put 5.
5 times 4 is 20. Subtraction.
1 put 0.
1, drop the 0. 10 divided
10.
by 4.
2. I mean, yeah, 2.
2. 2 times 4.
Equals 8.
8. Subtraction.
Equals 2. So it
Do
will
we
be
have any more digits to bring down?
No.
No. So look, Ahmed, 152 at this number. This is the quotient. If we multiply the quotient by the divisor, you will get 608. And if we add the remainder to it, look here, this is the remainder, you will get the dividend 610. You understand?
Yes.
Many things. Jamel?
Yes.
Question 4.
Zara wrote this problem in his notebook using the vocabulary boxes. Label the point of division problem, then using the vocabulary, explain how Zara can check whether his whole number quotient is correct.
Can we switch off the TV?
This is not the TV, my brother in his class.
It's in class. Okay. So quickly.
Jawad, where are the headphones?
Sorry?
I was talking to Jawad, I told him to wear the headphones. Okay.
How Sia can check whether his whole number quotient is correct?
Okay. The divisor is 9.
It's 9.
The dividend is 648.
Yes.
And the whole number quotient is 72.
So how Sia can check whether his whole number quotient is correct? We need to check if 72 is correct or not. We need to do what operation?
Division. But Mr. Ahmed said to unmute him.
Ahmed? Okay,
Yeah.
let's do it first and I'm gonna unmute him. This is division. What
Okay.
is the opposite operation of division?
Multiplication.
So he will multiply. Multiply what?
72 by.
You multiply the divisor.
The
What is the
divisor by the
divisor?
quotient.
Yeah, by the quotient. By the quotient. Okay?
Yeah.
What is the quotient?
72.
70. All right. Ahmed. It's Ahmed.
Mister, can I go to the bathroom, please?
Okay.
It's urgent. Thanks.
All right. Mu'taz? Question 5.
Finally. Yes.
Question 5. Read it first.
Okay. Tell me says the whole number quotient is quotient of 793 divided by 6 is 132 RL. Like remainder. Use multiplication to show if Tammy is correct. Wait, summation is correct.
Yes, Mu'taz, how can we do this?
Okay, so we're gonna do 793 divided by 6. Okay, first we write the like 793.
Wait, I will share it again because this page is not here. Now,
Okay, so 793 divided by 6. So first we write the like 6 divided by 6 divided by 7 divided by 6.
can you explain
7
your
divided by
strategy? Can you
6.
explain your strategy?
Okay, so we're gonna do 6 divided by 73. No, 70. Wait.
Or someone asks me, Master, what is the spelling of quotient? It's Q-U-O. Wait, I'm gonna delete this. It's Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. This is quotient. Okay. Okay, Mu'taz.
So 6 divided by 793. We're gonna first do 6 divided by 7. It's 1. Okay,
Why 7? We need to check if this answer is correct or not. We need to multiply 6 by the quotient. Look, the quotient is 132, and we need to add 1 in the end. This is the remainder.
Okay, so wait. So 6.
6
So
times
6
132.
We're gonna write first.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 6 multiplied by 2. 6 multiplied by 2 equals 12. We put 2 under the 6 and we put 1 on top of the 3. 6 multiplied by 3 equals 8. Equals 18, and 18 plus 1 equals 19. We write the 9 and then we put 1 on top of the 1, and then 6 multiplied by 1 equals 6, and 6 plus 1 equals 7.
Okay, so we got 792.
Yes.
This is our product. If we want to get 793, we
but-
need to add the remainder, which is 1. So add 1 to
Yes.
this number.
Add 1 to this number, it will be 793.
Do we have the same dividend?
No. Wait, yes.
Yes.
We have the same dividend.
So use multiplication to show if Tammy's answer is correct. So Tammy's answer.
So it's correct.
Tammy's answer. Tammy's answer.
Okay.
That's
Yes,
correct.
it's correct. Okay.
Many thanks, Mani.
No problem.
Ahmad Sultan. Ahmad Sultan. Rosen.
Yeah.
Rosen, question 6.
Jeffrey wants to save the amount of money each week to buy a new bike. He needs $252 if he wants the bike in 14 weeks. How much money should Jeffrey save each week?
What should we do?
We should multiply.
Multiply
No,
what?
no, divide.
So you said the division. Why it's not multiplication?
Because we want to save.
You want what?
To save.
To save?
Yeah, each week.
So Jeffrey wants to save the same amount of money each week to buy a new bike. He needs this as the required price, right?
Yeah.
To buy the bike. But he wants to save money every week so he can buy it after 14 weeks. After 14 weeks. So how much money should Jeffrey save each week? So every week he will save the amount of money, and after 14 weeks he will multiply the amount of money in 1 week by 14, because he will save for 14 weeks. Then we need to divide the whole amount of the price by the number of weeks. That's why we do division. Do it, please.
Okay, 14.
252 divided by 14. This is table 14. If you want to write table 14 in the draft, it's okay. And if you can get it without the draft, it's okay. Here you go.
14 divided by 2 can't be.
Boys, listen, Rosen. I always say, you need to say 2 divided by 14, not 14 divided by 2. We need to divide the dividend by the divisor, not the opposite. Say 2 divided by 14. Is it okay?
No.
So we need to yes, go ahead.
I need to add 5 and 2.
25 divided by
Divide 14.
divided by 14. Yes.
We're gonna use 1 should be 14.
1.
14 multiply 1.
Why it's not 2 or 3?
Because if 2 it will be above.
Above 28. Yes.
We're gonna
One.
use 2, it will be 28.
After writing the number on the top, we need to multiply it by the divisor. What is 1 times
14.
14? Subtraction.
9.
9.
No, not 9. 11.
11. Next,
Then we drop 2.
drop the 2. Here we have 112. So now we can try 14 times 9, 14 times 8. Let's try 14 times 8.
Equal
8 times 4, 32. Right, 2 and carry out 3. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 3 is 11, right?
112.
We are lucky.
Perfect.
So say thank you 8, right?
Yeah.
Right, what?
Then 100.
112 down.
Then 0. No reminder.
No remainder, no remainder. So how can we answer this question? How much money should Jeffrey save each week?
$18.
$18. So he must save $18 each week. If you want to check your answer, Rosin, what should we do?
We should multiply
Multiply 18 by
by 4.
14.
10.
If you multiply 18 by 14, you will get 252. And you can check. All right. Question 7. We'll go for Faisal. Faisal. Question 7, Dana.
Dana is making a seating chart for an awards banquet. There are 184 people coming to the banquet. If 8 people can be seated at each table, how many tables we needed for the awards banquet? First, we will divide 184 divided 8. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Then
We will.
you can use the long division sign.
Yes, I want to use a long division. That's easier for me.
And you know,
Okay.
Faisal, you can do it in its place without doing this sign. I will tell you later. How can you do this?
Okay. 8 divided what gives us something close to 18. 8 divided 1.
You mean 8 times 1? 8
Yes,
times 1?
times m.
Why it's not 8 times 2?
No, 2.
Yeah,
Two.
that's 2. That's right. 2 times 8 is
2 times 8 is 16.
subtraction.
8 minus 6 is 2. And 1 minus 1 is 0. We will put down the 4. 8.
Now it's
multiply with
24. 24
Yes.
times divided by 8.
Yes. 3.
3. We need to multiply 3 times 8.
Yes. 24. 4 minus 4 is 0 and 2 minus 2 is 0.
Yeah. So what is the answer?
23 without a remainder.
That's
Or
right.
reminder.
Look, it's remainder, not reminder.
Okay.
Okay, look, how can we do it in its place? We need to start from 1. Can we divide 1 by 8?
No.
So we need to group 1 and 8. Now it's 18 divided by 8. What is 18 divided by 8?
2.
2, right? 2. Then what is 2 times 8?
2 times 8 is 16.
You can write 16 underneath 18 like this.
Okay.
Right, 16. What is the remainder? 2.
Yes.
Now we are going to put this 2 here next to 4. Now we have 24. What's 24 divided by 8?
24 divided by 8 is 3.
Look,
Ah,
you got it?
yes.
Thanks. The last question quickly will go for an F. An F.
Yes.
8 quickly. They're all divided.
Okay. 8 Daryl divide 500
75 by 14 by
57
using partial
by
quotients. What
partial
is the
quotient.
answer?
What
Explain
is
your
the
answer using numbers
Explain
and
your
words.
answer. Okay.
Yes, just divide it.
Yeah, we have to divide it.
57 divided by 14.
57
Can we
divided
try
by 4.
3 or 4?
We can try
4.
what you said.
4. If you multiply 4 by 14, you will get 56.
That's 56.
Okay?
Okay.
Then we need to subtract it.
It's 1.
So 56, and then the subtraction will give me 1. Then drop the 5. 15 divided
Yeah.
by 14. Only 1.
Yeah.
1 times 14 is 14. After subtraction, you will get 1. Okay, so the remainder is 1. You can do it without using partial products. Thank you very much, and see you the next time. Goodbye, my dear little friends.
Goodbye.
Have a bad day.